kits. Today, I'm going to walk you through just how easy it is to install one of our plug-and-play solar kits. No permits, no installers, and no interconnection agreement required. This is our 1200-watt solar kit. It includes 6 200-watt bifacial solar panels, which generate power from both the front and the back. The panels are framed in lightweight, durable aluminum and attached directly to the mounting system. They're engineered to withstand high winds and tough weather conditions. We've never had an issue, even during Houston's crazy weather. Every 2 panels connect to a smart inverter, and those inverters are linked together using simple connector cables. The system plugs right into standard home outlet, feeding power directly to your appliances, just like plugging in a coffee maker or a phone charger. No special wiring or roof access is needed. Each kit also comes with our smart power meter, which installs directly in your breaker box. It uses 2 clamps and wireless antennas to read how much electricity your home is pulling from the grid. The meter communicates with the inverters and makes sure you're always producing just the right amount of energy. Any extra energy is either stored in the battery or the system automatically throttles, so there's never any risk of backfeeding to your utilities. You'll also control everything through the Craftstrom app. It's intuitive, simple to set up, and gives you real-time visibility into your energy use, production, and savings. We designed it so that anyone can install and operate our system without having to hire a professional. Our lawyers, however, do want me to tell you that you need to use an electrician to install the power meter. Whether you're a homeowner, a renter, or just someone who wants more independence, Craftstrom makes solar simple, smart, and scalable. You can plug up to 2,000 watts into an outdoor outlet. We believe in giving the power back to the people, literally. This is Craftstrom. Plug in, power up, live free.